Foreclosure is a process through which a lender attempts to recover the balance of loan from a borrower who has defaulted the loan or stopped making payments to the lender by forcing the sale on the asset used as collateral for the loan. Most likely, if you have a mortgage loan, your home will be used as collateral. What if you received a foreclosure notice today? What will you do? What options do you have in mind? Remember, the process of saving your home starts when you decided to take the loan, but due to uncertainty in the future, you realize you will be unable to make the required payment. And at this point, your property is in danger of being foreclosed. So, what do you do? What are you supposed to do to save that property? Here are some options you may consider. Loan modification. Through this, a borrower can reduce interest rate or extend loan term. Borrower can reach out to their lenders to discuss this. When you realize things won't run as normal as you thought, it's a good thing you call your servicer. Do not wait them to call you. Call them before they do. Tell them your situation and ask them to change or modify your loan plan. This will allow you to have a better plan on how you're going to repay the loan, and that can accommodate your financial situation currently. Your servicer needs their money back, so most of the time they are likely to consider your request. Do not be afraid when you feel that at this point you cannot do this. So it's good you call out and know what can be done. You may decide to refinance your loan. This is taking advantage of low interest rate in the market and get a new loan. The advantage of refinancing is that you have freedom to choose from who you want to get your loan from and at what terms. This will allow you to take a loan that you can afford. At the same time, saving saving on interest payments because the loan will be cheaper than what you had taken early. Also, you may consider selling the property. When you foreclose a property or when a property is being foreclosed, most likely it may sell at a loss than the market price. So if you sell the property before that time, you're likely to sell it at a profit. You will have to lock in the profit that would have lost if it was foreclosed. So if other option won't be working, then you may consider selling the property before it is foreclosed. You may decide also to go the legal way if you feel your servicer was unfair with their decision. You might decide to challenge it in court. But what if this doesn't work? Sometimes we will win and others will lose, and the court doesn't rule to your advantage. What are you going to do? Sometimes we're forced to take the worst or take the very worst decision that we know supposed to, but at this time then we be forced to give in to the foreclosure notice. But you don't have to give in before trying all the options. These should be your very last options when you feel that there's nothing you've not done to save what you have. So tell us, how does foreclosure work in your country? Have you been there before? How was it?